Good morning guys, welcome back to another video. So it's a really early start today, but we're off on an adventure.
We are going on an island hopping tour. We are doing tour A, which is the most popular. As we explained, you can't now do the combination tours and you can only see either big or small lagoon now to preserve natural habitat there. So we're just waiting to leave. We have to give all that information to the Coast Guard so they know exactly who's on here and has to leave at a set time and return at a set time. So everyone is accounted for and everyone will be safe. And we are doing the Big Lagoon today. You have to check each day. Sometimes I do small, sometimes I do big. Luckily we're doing big because it's bigger, innit? But make sure you're prepared for delays. It's got to get down here for about 7:30 and it all has to get signed off. So every boat needs to get signed off before you go out, and that can take a little while. So we're still waiting. What's the time? At 8:30. So be prepared to wait a little bit longer. You won't set off at the time that you're meant to get here.
Yeah, we are in the place to be. Yeah.
Okay, if you will not like Big Lagoon, we are now outside part of Big Lagoon. If you don't like Big Lagoon, okay, we're going back to Nido.
Okay, so we're at the first stop, which is the Big Lagoon, but we got to get a kayak to get in, so we'll be switching over to the GoPro.
Expert. It's about 5-10 minutes to get to our final stop at the Big Lagoon. You can swim. I don't know if it's advised. I think it'd take ages because I don't know how long we actually stop. If we do a private tour, then perhaps, but this is definitely the best way to see it. And the water, oh my god, the water, look at it. It is so clear. Go on, Molly, you keep rowing. Our private Uber. It's, from what we've seen, it's usually really busy, but I think the new rules have made it a lot less busy. Yeah, it's really good. There's not actually that many canoes, is there?
No, you're also, I think you're not allowed to let the boats come all the way in, so this is just really protected.
So we've just found this little cave that we can go through and it takes you through the other side. Are you going to be able to row me?
Literally, like we said, you come to this end of the Big Lagoon and there's no tourists here.
Look.
You can have the whole thing to yourself. Molly, we're going to have to go back.
Oh no!
It's so clear and it's not like you crawl on it, so you can get over this and just walk Molly along because she's lazy and doesn't want to row.
I've been rowing this whole time, thank you very much.
I'm not so sure about that, but it's so good and clear. Best photo spot. I'm going to find a spot with no other canoes.
I feel like a lady at leisure because I'm being rowed by Matt.
So your hardest task when you're on your way back to the boat is remembering which one was yours, because now it's got a little bit busier. There is so many and I haven't got a clue which one it is, so we're gonna have to just keep guessing. That was insane. We found the boat and we've now stopped off at a secret lagoon. We've got to swim around the corner and go for a tiny little hole. So again, we're leaving this camera and go back to the GoPro.
So we're the last one.
Again,
because he broke the
snorkel don't work. So waiting to go in there.
Look at that though. Insane.
Wish you've got to go on the beach. The secret lagoon should be even better. Get it halfway, you get to this little bit and the beach is insane. Unfortunately we ain't got time for that. Got to go through into this lagoon and you can see the queue already. It's huge to get into secret lagoon. I don't know how much of a secret it is now, guys. Look at the queue to get in. I hope it will all be worth it, I'm sure.
We've made it into the not so secret lagoon. There's quite a few people in here.
It's very busy, isn't it?
I've never seen water this colour. It is just a big lagoon.
Lagoon in the middle of things, but
It's pretty incredible, isn't it?
you can see it is very busy, but busy for a reason, I would say.
Yeah.
We're back on the boat. So
Got a bit choppy.
yeah, got done by the sea life, but yeah, it's a lovely spot. Try and get here at a time when there's not many people, because if not, you have to queue for ages to get into the lagoon.
Yeah.
It's beautiful. Maybe even check out the beach here. The beach here is amazing. So if you pick a tour where you get longer here, because if not, you have to rush to get into the lagoon and then leave. But I think they're heading for lunch now.
So he's gone to go and get a beer from the guy selling it just there. We definitely need it after that swim in. So we're at Island, and there is a little beach just over there, but it's a bit crowded, and also we said there's a lot of like bugs and mosquitoes. So what we're going to do is we're going to sit and have lunch on the boat here. We did a snorkeling stop before. We didn't really film much there because we said that it wasn't the best place to snorkel, so we just sat and had a beer. But I'm really looking forward to lunch because I am starved.
What a spot to have lunch though. You're back at the Gatorade factory. Like literally, it's got that food dye in it again. Shame that we can't go on the beach, but you don't really want all them bugs going in your lunch. I think the best beach is the next one, where we stop at Commando beach. So hopefully you can have a nice walk along there and find some cool spots. We got our lunch, so I went for the easy, went for mango and sticky rice.
Let me see. Oh.
It looks good. They always say about the best mango in the Philippines. And the rice, the sticky rice is incredible. The onion bread. And just look at that. I could be eating anything, it wouldn't matter. But the lunch is really nice and it's all included. I think most tours do include a lunch, but we are meant to have the best lunch, and that is the best mango and sticky rice I've seen. That house should be the best mango. I can't believe I've only had mango properly now in the Philippines. It's so much sweeter than at home. So much more flavour, so much more juicy. At home it's dry. Sometimes I can't even bite into it. I need to know how they grow their mangoes.
So final stop of the day, 7 Commando Beach. It is unreal, super picturesque. I think we keep saying that about every beach we go to, but they keep topping it.
This is paradise, isn't it? It's got a few little vendors selling like coconuts and stuff like that.
And alcohol, which is a bonus.
And alcohol, and I think there's a couple of little resorts on it, but it is incredible. Apparently it's part of the mainland. Correct me if I'm wrong, comment below if this isn't part of the Palawan mainland. But you can only get here by boat.
It's just incredible, yeah. Like you can see the rocks in the distance, you've got all the palm trees. Oh
yeah, paradise.
Heaven.
Such a good idea for them to put this beach as the last stop of the day. After checking out all the lagoons, after all doing all the swimming, all the jumping, it is perfect to end the day, and it is honestly paradise. Like, you cannot say anything else about it. And I do like the way now that the tours have changed, Whereas if you don't cram, you don't put two different A and C together, you don't do any more combinations, you get so much longer at each stop and you get to really appreciate it. About 80 to 90 minutes we get here, which is great. We've done tours before and sometimes you get like 20 minutes here, 20 minutes there, and you literally get out, get a picture and you're back on the boat. You chill out, have a beer, have something to eat, get in that Gatorade Blue Sea and just take it all in. Back from the tour and we've just booked in for something to eat at Puka Cucina. We've got a couple of burritos. We just want to talk about the tour again because we love the tour.
Yeah.
So much. A couple of quick tips. We think that it would definitely be best to look around all the different tours and see if any offer the big and small lagoons. And don't book one where they could combine, because you're not meant to combine. Firstly, it's illegal, and secondly, you don't get enough time.
No,
not enough time.
We barely got enough time today at all. We could have spent the whole day there. So
Yeah,
definitely look into time.
it's much better the way they've changed it. You get fewer stops, longer time at each stop, and less people at each stop.
Yeah.
And it just maintains everything, keeps it a lot cleaner, fresher. And yeah, we just loved it. Maybe skip Secret Lagoon unless you can find someone to take you there when it is a lot quieter. Yeah, but we're gonna eat this and wrap it up because we are knackered. So if you're new to the channel, guys, hit that subscribe, drop us a like.
And keep on loving.
Whole thing to yourself. What are you gonna have to go back?
Hello.
Go back.